On March 1st, TXT wrapped up their 3-day concert at Kiespo Dome in Seoul, South Korea, and the final night turned into a something that TXT fans will never forget. So during the last concert, Hyunjin was seen performing shirtless in the middle of the show, and the reason behind Hyunjin this move made the moment even more intense. So while performing his solo song Talk to You, Hyunjin first took off his jacket and then he removed his t-shirt as well. And as soon as audience saw him suddenly shirtless, they went completely wild and started screaming loudly, and the fans' reaction was truly intense and unforgettable. But later, after the concert ended, all the members came live together, and during the live session, another member asked Hyunjin whether going shirtless had been planned beforehand, and then Hyunjin explained that he had not planned it in advance. He shared that before going on stage that day, the staff had told him that since it was the last day, he could do whatever he wanted. And while performing, the frustration Hyunjin had been carrying towards his company regarding his solo mini album No Label Part 1 began to surface, and to express or release that frustration, he ended up taking off his t-shirt and performing shirtless. But after that, another moment from the concert that has gone viral involves Bumgyu and Hyunjin, because when the two were performing a dance cover of Candy in My Ears song, there was a particular move where Bumgyu placed his hand on Hyunjin's waist and they performed this bold, intense dance step together. This move appeared very sensual and powerful, and obviously fans loved their chemistry and stage presence in this particular song. So what do you think about this movement from TXT concert? Let me know in the comment.